Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Milky Chance here with the cool song called Golden. So we have this strumming pattern that goes through the entire song, and it's basically most about two different chords switching back and forth. We'll look at this. Let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this one. So let's go over the chords. We have first the E. And this is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The second chord will be a G sharp minor. That's a bar chord here, a bar placed on the 4th fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 6 on A and 6 on D. And this is the main two chords, E and the G sharp minor. But we need to know a couple chords more for the chorus, so we'll keep on here with bar chords. On the 4th fret here, this is the C sharp minor. So bar here on 4th, now you can exclude this last E. So you place a bar over 5 strings, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's the C sharp minor. Then we have the D sharp minor. So you take the same grip and place it on the 6th fret here with the bar finger. So exactly the same grip, bar 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 8 on D, 8 on G, and 7th on B. That's the D sharp minor. And then finally we have the F sharp. That's a bar chord. This time the bar is placed here on the 2nd fret. You bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Alright, so there you have it. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We'll start with E. That's the first chord, so grab that one. And one strumming around will be down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. That is one round. So and so on. All right. So most parts this goes in E and the G sharp minor. That is the basic pattern here for strumming and also for the chord progression. So you're gonna play E 2 strumming rounds and G sharp 2 strumming rounds. So like this. And that is how you play the verse. And then how you play the chorus, you're gonna continue with that for 2 rounds. So you're gonna play E2, G sharp minor 2, and that you will play for 2 rounds. So E2, G2, E2, G2, and then you're gonna play E2 again, and then you're gonna play C sharp minor 1, then F sharp 1, and then the D minor 1, and then the E1. So the chorus goes E2 and G minor 2. You play that for 2 rounds, and then you play E2. Then you go C sharp 1, F sharp 1, D sharp 1, and E1. Then you repeat that part, the C sharp again, 1, then F sharp 1, then the D sharp 1, and E1. And then you finish off with G sharp minor 4. Alright, so that is the chorus. I think I would like to play that for you so you understand how it's done. I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit so you really see what's happening there. So let's go and play the chorus. It starts with E2, G sharp minor 2 for 2 rounds, and then comes E2 for 2 rounds, and then C sharp 1, F sharp 1, D minor 1, and E1. All right, and you play that again, C sharp 1, F sharp 1, D sharp minor 1, and E1, and then you finish off with G sharp 4. So let's do that together. There's your chorus, and then you go back to the verse again, E2 and G sharp minor 2. And that's what's going on here with MILKY Chan's Golden. So give it a try, guys. Great song to learn and practice this easy strumming pattern. So till next time, play tuned.